let's do and understand what is coming in this particular week. I'm recording this on 17th of September. Yeah, 17th of September till 21st of September. What is coming in this particular week in terms of your career, emotions? I'm particularly going to talk about your emotions. What emotions would be evoked? What is it that this universe is asking you to do in this particular week? So let's go ahead and deep dive into the reading. I just did a love reading. My candle is still here. If you haven't yet watched that, go back and watch that video first. Might be for someone. So what is coming for this week? Oh, Three of Emotions, Three of Cups. Be open to success and Healer of Emotions. Oh my God, the lovely cards are out here. So some of you are going to meet some people in your life who would be highly blessed. Their existence just bring in calmness in you. The moment you be with them, or you yourself are someone like that, who just your presence make everyone feel calmer and better. Whoever is listening to this, you are a blessed soul, and you are coming across this kind of satisfaction in this particular week. 111 on the timer. Yes, you are manifesting the right things in your life. Don't stop healing yourself. Whatever you are doing right now, I'm listening, you are doing the right things, because that is actually healing you. That is making you feel lighter. That is making you feel better. You are listening to some kind of frequencies. You're listening, you're talking to some people, you're meditating. You are finding yourself more aligned, more spiritual. Your spiritual activation is on for sure. You are getting spiritually more activated. Your intuitions are getting better and better day by day, which is a powerful message. Let's go ahead and read the card for the healing of emotions. Someone is entering for sure, is what I'm getting for you all people. Someone is entering, and this person will make you, give you better healings. Now healings always come with a point where you would come out in a manner you have never come out before. You would be speaking and saying certain things to this particular person you have never spoken about in your life with anyone else. So you are going to be expressive. You are going to show that emotion that you feared of showing it to anyone. But yes, you are getting a person in your life with whom you would be connecting this kind of dots, this connection, and you are feeling a little lighter and better. Or sometimes even without you speak, you do feel lighter, you do feel better about them. So the card says here is, this is a time to follow your heart and feel the fullness of your emotions. You may feel so compelled to nurture others that you forget to care for yourself. Possible you are someone who's listening to others, but then I'm finding this very positive emotions of yours, where so far you always have been feeling like nobody understands me, nobody feels the right thing, they don't think about me in the right way, so people judge me. There have been negative feelings around. I understand, completely resonate. But this particular situation on the person is bringing out the real you, the authentic you. You are feeling authentic around this person. You are feeling much better around this person. Whatever this is happening, bringing in the feeling of emotions, satisfaction, and more of like that peace. That peace would be the right word, but that there is a depth in that. There is some kind of satisfaction, some kind of security that you're getting around these energies, which is amazing. Be open to success. So yes, some of you are getting promoted, some of you are getting kicked out of your job, but then that's happening. Why? Because something else is aligned. Whatever project you have been working out, it is giving you success. You were troubled somewhere, Shiva is making sure you're out of that place. Whoever needs to listen to this, you need to know that whatever is happening is actually happening for the highest good, because you spoke the truth and those energies were not aligned. So universe is making sure that you come out of those energies altogether. But be open to your success. Look at all wonderful things you can do when you listen to your divine guidance. So don't go back. Suppose something didn't work out, don't go back and sit with yourself and say, oh my God, why I have been working out onto this for so long. Look at the situations, like where were you couple of months before and where are you today. You have only progressed, you have only ascended, and that's what universe is trying to say here is every step is a success. So if something has not worked out, it has not worked out because you are not aligned with it. You are not supposed to go in that direction at all. So yes, what happened to my voice in between? Well, you are balanced so many different priorities and have come out as a winner. So look at your success. Look at what, where, how did I reach to this location, this particular situation, in a positive way, not in a negative way, but in a positive way. Whatever this is allowing you to have a successful moment, some kind of celebrations coming your way. Some of your birthdays could be nearing. Three of emotions, wonderful news is on its way. Check your emails, check your messages, check the idea that has popped up. Work onto that idea. It is bringing in success. It is definitely bringing in success. Some kind of good news is coming your way, certainly. You might be receiving some parcels. You might be receiving some unknown, unexpected parcels, I would say. And you would feel there is a difference. You would feel that, okay, I didn't expect. This could be one of the sign. 611 could be one of the sign. People, okay, whatever is going out, let it go. Feel it, sit with it. If it gave you some kind of stress, feel it, cry, vent it out, mourn it out. It's okay, but let it go. Don't hold. Holding things will only create problem. One of the message for you, holding things will only create problem here. So let's not go ahead and hold certain things. 444 could be one of the number you are seeing. What is the number? All is happening in the perfect divine timing, Sunny. So something who didn't, again I'm getting some of you might be losing something. There would be some kind of a loss, but then it is going because the purpose of that situation, that job, that thing has happened. The purpose is done and it's supposed to move out. Whatever this is opening a new window. And now this new window, once you take that particular step, once you enter this window, you would be divinely, you are already divinely protected, but you would be moving into an ascending path only. You are aligned, you are taking the right decisions, right choices. Just allow yourself to feel that emotion. Everything is happening in the right time, in the perfect timings. You really don't have to worry about it. Trust, surrender, acceptance is the key. Surrender is the key. Keep surrendering yourself because you're doing amazing. Whatever you're doing is actually working out for you. Stop. Don't stop now. Exactly the emotions that you have gone through, understand that at one point there was no one who was standing by you, and still you could come out, still you stood for yourself, still you could do so many things in your life. Then why is to stop now? You didn't come this far to be standing at this position again, for this stagnancy again. 811 on the timer. The new karmic cycle has opened, has initiated. Okay, it is all how you make a choice. What are you choosing? Are you choosing to go back into the same patterns, or are you choosing to move ahead? Please don't go back. Nobody is going to allow you. Universe is never going to allow you, not going to allow you anymore to go back to the same patterns. You would always find it very much difficult. If you're planning to move back to the same person, move back to the same city, same energy, same job, universe will make sure it doesn't happen only. But if still happens, you might end up losing it again in a couple of months. Don't go back to the same patterns. Now the new cycle has already opened. It has already initiated. So yes, still there are certain things. It's a complete year of number 9. So yes, till the end of the year, things would keep going out. This is going to be a pattern. 911, this is going to be a pattern throughout this year. Be prepared. So every single moment, if something is leaving, just say, thank you, universe. Thank you so much for taking this out. I thank this person, this job, this particular situation, that it served a purpose at the right time in the divine timings. I understand it has solved the purpose and now it's time for it to move out. Thank you, universe, for making it easy. Please make it easy for me. Make it easy. Let me feel relaxed. Cry, feel it, and let it go. It's perfectly fine. Don't choose what you have already done before. Choose a new pattern. Change the perspective. 555, that was again there in my yesterday's reading. or I mean couple of readings back. So yes, choose differently. 10 10 could be one of the sign, 10 11 could be one of the sign. Choose differently. Also, I'm listening for some of you. It might find, you might find a little difficult to make a choice, but the moment you take a choice, the opportunities will knock your door. The moment you decide, no, I'm not looking back, I'm not going back, I'm not doing it, for sure, I'm not going to go and fall for the same situation, same things, universe will give you opportunities right away. It's going to be very, very quick once you choose the ascending path. So yes, that is one of the message I'm getting for few of you. Two of Cups. You are entering a timeline of love. You are entering a timeline of partnership, companionship. Now it could be career focus, it could be love focus, whatever this is. This energies are bringing in some kind of abundant partnership. I guess I have this love candle here, and this is bringing in only pure love. Whoever is listening to this reading, you are lucky enough. If you're here so far, you know what I'm talking about. 11:11 on the timer. Whatever cheating has happened to you, whoever did bad to you, the karma is going back to them. The karma is going back to them. Stop giving your energies to bad people. Stop giving your energies to, nobody is bad, every soul is pure, we all are living on different floors, we all have different perspective. I have been talking about this since so long now. We all are beautiful souls. It is just the situation, and we have only signed a karmic bond up there when we were planning this life. We have only signed a karmic bond. This connection is also a karmic bond. This connection is also, we have signed a contract that Divya will come at this particular moment and she will say something that will, click. And that's how I'll take a decision. That's how it works. And you people, when you put in your comment out there, you give me some kind of suggestions, that also clicks. That also gives me some kind of situation, that also gives me some kind of idea. So yes, it's a karmic contract we have signed together. So every single person who enters your life is a karmic contract. So don't judge people. It is you who told them, okay, I need to cleanse this karma out of my life. I need to remove this kind of an anger, this ego, whatever this is. I want to clean it up. Why? Because at some point, I might have made someone feel like it. So I would want to clear this karma, enter my life in this particular situation, and make me feel this way. I'll clear the karma. So actually, whoever makes you feel cheated, whoever makes you feel very much low down, or makes you feel that you're not a good person, or whatever this is, whoever makes you feel bad, in fact, feel that emotion, feel the trigger, because every person is a mirror. Feel that emotion, say sorry, and forgive them, because you are the one who signed the contract. You are supposed to clear the karma. So all bad energies we feel around us, we feel, oh, they are the cheaters, they did this, they are actually here to clear us. They are the souls who actually love us immensely in the soul realm. Hence, they chose, okay, on the earth realm, I'm going to help you clear your karma. You would hate me, but that's okay. If that helps you, come and clear your karma, I will do it for you. So these are the actual souls who love you immensely in the soul realm. This is intense. I don't know who is able to connect, who is able to resonate to this, and it's difficult to digest. I understand, I agree, there would be frustration. Forgive the souls. Forgive souls who have ditched you, who have cheated on you, because they were meant to be doing that. And because they did it, because they made you learn a lesson, that's the reason you're sitting like this. That is the reason you are into this situation, into this mindset, the change perspective, the ascension that you're going through, the powers you have got today, the learnings, the wisdom. That is the reason, right? Had you been born with a silver spoon or with all goody things, you might have never learned a lesson out of it. So these people are here to teach you something. They taught you, forgive them. Say thank you. Thank you for making me learn this. Thank you, universe, for ending this. I'm good. Now I'm feeling better. Speak your heart out. Forgive them. I don't know. 444. Yes, now it's the time. 444 on the timer. Last message for you all. Oh, wow. Last message for you all, the two beautiful cards together, the High Priestess and the Star card together. You are a blessed soul. You are yourself highly intuitive, highly hopeful, never giving up into your life, and you are becoming one like that if you're not so far. You are an inspiration to yourself plus to your surroundings. Make sure that you don't allow others to take that power. So when you hate someone, you give that power to others. Stop giving powers to others. Start being little secretive about certain things in your life. Don't go out and reveal everything to everyone. Be a little discreet, because not people would have the right intention. So it's okay. They are also karmic. They are also coming out. Sorry, I got a little distracted out there. Yeah. They are also karmic. They are also breaking certain patterns in their life. So bless the souls and leave the souls. Be a little secretive. Don't pass on your hatred. Don't give. That gives the power to others. Don't give powers to others is one of the major lesson this High Priestess is trying to tell me in this very moment, in this very energy. Plus, don't lose hope, honey. Don't lose hope, because what is coming is still secret. It's still kept secret for you. Why 1616? Why? Because you feel you don't deserve abundance, and hence universe is not showing you that what you actually deserve and not giving it to you. It's a secret. Nobody can tell you what is coming your way. You're not even yourself. Not even yourself, because what is coming is powerful. It's powerful. It's abundant. Let universe surprise you. Let universe give you that, happiness, that happy tears. Some of you would be crying happy tears very, very soon. The healing is happening. Stop giving your powers to anyone and everyone. Keep going. The last card in the deck. Keep going. That's the message. Be blessed. Stay blessed. Subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel. That would be a blessing for me. Om Namah Shivaya. And to book your readings, just I'll put up a link. Take care.